If you're running a home service business and still using paper, WhatsApp, and a whiteboard to manage a job, you're almost guaranteed to double book something, forget an estimate, or lose an invoice. That's where field service management softwares come in. In this tutorial, we'll be breaking down the 5 best field service management tools for small businesses, perfect for plumbers, electricians, lawn care and landscaping, HVAC, cleaning, appliance repair, and pretty much any we drive to the customer service business. We'll go from number 5 to number 1, and I'll show you which platform is best for each individual, whether it is a one-person operation, a small crew, or a growing team. By the way, what are some criteria that I use when creating this list? A good field service software for small business should include scheduling and dispatching, so easy drag and drop, calendar and team assignment, mobile app so that tech can see the jobs, take photos and update from the field, and estimates, invoicing, and payments should definitely be included. So you should be able to send, sign, and get paid faster. Customer database, for example, history, notes, and repeat work in one place, and automations is a must in 2025 going to 2026. So you want reminders, follow-ups, and review requests, and more. Now that you know the criteria that I use to create this list, be sure to check out this tutorial to the end. Also check the pinned comment and description as I've included links to a few of these platforms, and it will help to support the channel if you were to sign up. Now let's dive in. At number 4, we have ServiceTitan. ServiceTitan is a field service app built heavily around iPhone and iPad. Perfect if your whole crew lives on the Apple ecosystem. I would consider it best for very small service businesses, for example, a 1 to 5 person team like handymen, cleaners, lawn care, pest control, who want a simple, fast app that runs beautifully on iOS. Some standout features when it comes on to ServiceTitan. First, job booking, scheduling, and dispatching, and mobile app with job notes, checklists, and photo capture, and simple quoting and invoicing from the field, and optional phone, forms, and automation add-ons. And the reason why it's a good option for small businesses: first, it is lightweight and quick to learn, and great if you're already using iPhones or iPods in the field, and lets you go from call, job, invoice to payment inside one app. And if we were to check out their pricing, you can see right here you can get started for free as they offer a 14-day free trial period, and their monthly plan begins at $29 and it can go up to $349. It is better suited for smaller teams versus complex multi-crew operation though. And at number 3, we have Workiz. Workiz is a field service management and dispatching platform built with high volume trades in mind. Think junk removal, locksmiths, appliance repair, and HVAC. It is best for small businesses that run lots of short jobs per day and need efficient dispatching and want built-in phone and communication tools. Some standout features include scheduling and dispatch with map view, in-app calling and call tracking and recording, and estimates, invoices, and card payments, and also integration with Google, local services ads, and QuickBooks. And the reason why it is a great option for small businesses: first, strong focus on phone calls and dispatch, which is where a lot of trades live. It helps you see where your techs are and who can grab the next job, and a good mix of operation plus marketing, for example, call tracking. And if we were to check out their pricing, you can see right here, if we were to go onto their monthly plan, while you can get started for free, their monthly plan begins at $225 and it can go up to $325. And taking the number 2 spot is Jobber. Jobber is one of the most popular field service tools for home service companies. It is super strong for landscaping, lawn care, cleaning, window washing, and similar trades. It is best for small businesses that want professional looking codes, online booking, automated reminders, and fast payments, especially if you do repeat visits, for example, weekly, monthly, or seasonal. Some standout features when it comes onto Jobber: first, online booking and job scheduling, including recurring job, client hub, for example, customers can see quotes, invoices, and pay online, and also estimates and invoices customized with your branding, and automated text and email reminders and follow-ups, and also integration with QuickBooks Online, Stripe, and more. And the reason why I think it is a great option for persons that have a small business, first, it is very beginner friendly and polished, and it makes you look like a bigger, more organized company. And also, automations help cut down on no-shows and late payments. And if we were to check out the pricing of Jobber, while you can get started for completely free, their monthly plan begins at $39 better yet, and it can go up to $199. And taking the number one spot on our list is none other than Housecall Pro. Housecall Pro is a full field service management platform for home service businesses, from solar technicians to larger multi-truck operations. It is best for plumbers, HVAC, electrical, and other home service businesses that want to scale with strong scheduling, dispatching, automation, and cash flow tools. Some standout features of Housecall Pro include drag and drop schedule and dispatch board, mobile app for text with job details, notes, photos, and upsell options, and estimates, invoices, and on-site payments, and memberships or maintenance plans and marketing tools, and also integration with QuickBooks and other popular tools. And the reason why it is number one for small businesses, it offers a great blend of office control and field execution, and it is designed to help you grow memberships, repeat work, and reviews, and more. And also, it offers strong community and training content for service business owners. And if we were to check out the pricing for Housecall Pro, while you can get started for completely free, their monthly plan begins at $79 and it can go up to $329. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. Be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.